China long ago during the time of a great emperor. Long ago, an emperor ruled in China. He lived in a beautiful palace. Surrounding that palace was a beautiful garden, and beyond that garden was a forest. In that forest lived a nightingale. This emperor loved to read. He read anything that was given to him. One day he read a story about the beautiful song of the nightingale.
If there's a bird in the forest, a song so beautiful, then why has no one told me about it?
The emperor demanded for his court to find him a nightingale that very day. His court and his servants looked everywhere until they came upon a poor fisherman's daughter who said she knew where it lived. beautiful song. High up in the branches was a tiny gray bird. Hi, Nightingale. Wow, beautiful. Tiny Nightingale, come with us to the palace and sing for the emperor.
Come with us to the palace and sing for the emperor.
My home is in the forest, but since it is the emperor who wants me to come, I will do so. That evening, the emperor sat on his throne, surrounded by his court.
Please, little bird, won't you sing for me?
The tiny gray bird lifted his voice for the entire court to hear.
Please, little bird, won't you sing for me? Please, little bird, won't you stay with me?
The emperor had never heard anything so beautiful that tears would come to his cheeks.
Please, little bird, won't you stay with me? Please, little bird, won't you sing for me?
The nightingale was delighted that the emperor loved his song. My home is in the forest, but since it's the emperor who wants me to stay, I will do so. However, the next day, the nightingale was given a cage, and the day after that, he was taken into the garden for a walk, but the servants tied silk ribbons to his legs. The nightingale longed for his forest, for his home, for freedom.